Most of the students mess this up. We have a problem and we need to simplify expression, and the expression is root of 3 power 3, 3 power 3 and 3 power 0. We need to evaluate this, so let's start this. So first of all, I'm going to evaluate 3 power 0. We know that any number with power 0 is equal to 1. This means 3 power 0 will be equal to 1. So the expression becomes the root of 3 power 3 and 3 power 1. Now we are going to simplify 3 power 1. We know that any number with power 1 is itself. So we are going to get 3. Now I am going to substitute this value. So therefore we are going to get root of 3 power 3. Now we know that root of 3 will be equal to 3 power 1 by 2. So I am going to substitute this value. When I substitute this value, I will get 3 power 1 by 2 and the whole power is 3. Now we are going to use the law of exponent that says if you have two powers of a number, you can multiply those powers. So I'm going to multiply these powers. When I multiply, I will get 3 power 1 by 2 multiplied by 3. We know that that will be equal to 3 power 3 by 2. Now we can further simplify this because we know that 3 power 3 by 2 can be written like that, 3 power 1 plus 1 by 2. Now by using the law of exponent, I can write this just like that, 3 power 1 multiplied by 3 power 1 by 2. Now we know that 3 power 1 by 2 is basically root of 3. So this means our final answer will be 3 root of 3. So if you like my video, please subscribe, and also if you have any question related to this, please write that question in the comment.